Hello, I'm here to talk to you about the reception and signification perspective in communication studies. The reception and signification perspective is a way of understanding how people interact with media. It sees the audience as active, meaning they are not simply passive receivers of messages, but that they actively interpret and make meaning from the media that they consume. The media is seen as a text, which is a term used in literary theory to refer to any work of communication that can be interpreted. The reception and signification perspective emerged in the 1960s and was influenced by semiotics, the study of signs and symbols. Semiotics tells us that the meaning of a sign is not fixed, but is instead negotiated by the audience. A sign is made up of two parts, the signifier and the signified. The signifier is the physical form of the sign, such as the word love or the image of a red traffic light. The signified is the concept that the sign represents, such as the feeling of love or the idea that you have to stop. The meaning of a sign is not fixed because it can be interpreted in different ways by different people. For example, the word love can mean different things to different people. It could mean romantic love, platonic love, or even the love of a parent for a child. The meaning of the red traffic light can also vary depending on the context. For example, if you are driving in a country where the traffic laws are different, the meaning of the red light might be different. The reception and signification perspective emphasize the active role of the audience in interpreting media messages. The audience bring their own experiences, beliefs, and values to the media they consume, and these factors shape how they interpret the message. For example, a person who has just been in a car accident might interpret the red traffic light differently than someone who has never been in a car accident. The reception and signification perspective is a complex and nuanced approach to understanding the way that people interact with media. It is a valuable tool for understanding how people make meaning from the media that they consume.